Twinkle and welcome back to my channel. As you know from the topic, today I am going to show you floral print tops. Now what happens when you see flowers? Flowers give you a very good vibe. They are so colorful, vibrant and fresh, which makes your heart and mind feel happy. The same is with the prints of your clothes. When you wear bright, colorful floral prints, you instantly look fresh and happy. And they always reflect the brighter side of your personality. That's why I have compiled the very best flower prints to light up your mood today. So let's dive into the video. Now this is the first top. This is from the brand Dressberry. It is a viscose rayon material which is very summer appropriate. It has multicolored flower prints on it with bell sleeves, and there is a elastic at the bottom part. This material is very comfortable for wearing. So this is the next top. This is from the brand Harpa and it has a round neck. It is a beige color top with multicolor flower print on it. It has cold shoulders with a little slit in the sleeves, which gives you very nice look. And this material is polyester, but it is a very thin material which is very comfortable in summers also. Now this is a next top. This is a bright red color with small white and navy blue flower prints on it. It has a cold shoulder pattern with half sleeves and the brand is Plus S. Now Plus S normally makes plus size clothes, but you can always opt for an small or an extra small for your size. Now this is a next top. This is from the brand Evan. It is a white top with blue and yellow floral print, but the prints are very big. And it has a cold shoulder with a half sleeve again and a round neck with little keyhole button detailing at the back. The material is 100% polycrepe and it is very flowy. And this looks very good if you pair it with blue denims. So this is the next top, guys. This is from the brand Latin Quarters and it is an off-white top with red color and red and green floral print on it. Now this has a kaftan type design which looks very nice after wearing, and the material is polyester which is very comfortable in wearing. And this top looks very good if you pair it with skirts. This is a next navy blue color flower print top. The brand is Harpa and it is 100% polycrepe material. It again has a bell sleeves to it and a little keyhole detailing at the back. And this is how it looks. And this is very comfortable again wearing in summers. So finally we are left with only 2 tops. This is the next one. This is again from the brand Latin Quarters. This is an off-white top with red, grey and black floral print on it. It has a polo neck with a thick band and a cold shoulder with again 3/4 sleeves on it. This is a very soft cotton material which is again summer appropriate. So this is the last top which I am going to show you, which I am wearing. This is a mustard yellow color top with a very beautiful flower print on it, and it has a bell sleeves, but the material is very sheer. This is from the brand Ginger, and the top is very loose and comfortable. So finally we have come to the end of this haul. All the tops have been shopped from Myntra, an online store. And if you like to buy any, all the links will be given in the description box below. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button below every time to get the notification I upload a new video. Thanks a lot and have a good day.